today. So today we are baking cookies, s'mores cookies. We are also making baked mac and cheese, ribs. We are having a little family dinner cookout thing. The s'mores cookies are about to be bomb.
There's so much shit.
We're looking for baking soda. Baking soda, I got baking soda. We don't have baking soda. Okay, y'all, we have figured out our baking soda dilemma. Because if you're ever in this dilemma and you don't have any baking soda like we do, basically 1 tablespoon of baking soda equals 3 tablespoons of baking powder, and you can just substitute it that way. That way you don't have to run to the store. Whatever the measurement is, just triple it with baking powder. This is the mac and cheese, or it's going in the oven. We got the ribs in the oven right now, cooking.
Because I had this one for a while. Like, it was like this baker girl made a TikTok.
We're currently putting everything into the mixer to make just regular chocolate chip cookies, and then we're going to basically build a s'more, like, and put the cookie on top of the s'more. Drew Barrymore. Probably should have softened the butter, but oh my goodness. This is why you soften your butter, kids. Did that just now happen? Oops.
Yummy.
Yummy, yummy in my tummy. 4 sticks of butter, 4 eggs. That's on 4 lemons. 2 TSPs all day, chef. You always want to mix your wet ingredients first, and then in a separate bowl, we're gonna put together all of our dry ingredients and then put that in. We are doubling our recipe, so everything that the recipe calls for, double that hoe. Baking is a science. The measurements must be on point.
Should we add the sugar in first? Because doesn't sugar like liquefy? You think? Like,
girl, what the fuck is you talking about?
If it calls for packed brown sugar, pack that shit up. Pack that shit up like you're telling it to go the fuck home. We don't play about our packed brown sugar around here.
I won't add it. Get in there.
Oh,
The crunch.
we'd be having technical difficulties, but it's okay. Oh yeah, that looks like a fun Saturday night.
Child. Anyway, so
That's insane.
I'm about to take the ribs out of the oven and put barbecue sauce on them. Ooh. We are using Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Oh, look at this.
I usually still add it when I bring it out too.
This is what the dough's looking like. Oh. Look who has joined the party!
Hi guys.
Adding a little bit at a time.
Stay.
Look at that cookie dough. There's a child in the kitchen.
Ow. Ow. That's my belly.
That's a lot of fucking cookie dough.
We're about to have cookies galore.
ever hit me up the other day about going for ice cream?
Yeah, I forget what I was doing, but I was busy. My mom has joined the party.
Oh, I didn't know we were on live.
No, we're not. This is for the YouTube video.
Oh, okay.
Pastor Dean.
What's going on, guys? This is what it looks like. Just cookie dough, chocolate chips. That's good. I mean, it's good cookie dough. 10 out of 10.
Now we are making jalapeno poppers. We are also going to be making burgers. We are cutting the jalapenos right now.
These are gonna be bacon wrapped, by the way.
Bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers. We are putting the cream cheese inside of the jalapenos.
Keep going, buddy. We got you now.
Okay. That's a good shot. Me and Jayla are now about to wrap the jalapeno poppers in bacon. These are the bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers. And then we have Mexican street corn in the oven, the baked mac and cheese, and the ribs are in there. And we are about to make some burgers. Damn!
I didn't make it as spicy this time.
This is the sauce for the Mexican street corn. Danny's literally just getting fucking murked in the corner. Over here in the air fryer, we have the jalapeno poppers. We have the smokeless grill ready to make burgers. Come say hi.
Tell the boy how mean Daniel is.
Me Daniel is.
I'm about to cut this lime up for the Mexican street corn. The bacon smells so good. I think this will be fine for right now. Watch out, children. Oh my god. I think the bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers are now about done. Party foul.
I think there's so much paper towels for cooking.
We're now moving the mac and cheese to broil. Are you ready to broil? Just took our mac and cheese off broil. Okay, ignore that part, but it's just a little crispy up top, you know? The ribs are looking so good.
But underneath it, we have.
Oh, we got this one. We got the special one.
Yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. We're about to eat. This is my plate, guys. I have a jalapeno popper, a burger with provolone cheese, some ribs, and mac and cheese. And I'm definitely going back for some Mexican street corn. We are now about to make the s'mores chocolate chip cookies.
It's supposed to be the best non-stick.
Baker's Joy. Breaking our graham crackers in half. And then we're putting chocolate on top of all of the graham crackers. Marshmallow time! And now it's time to scoop the actual cookie dough on top of our s'more layout. Go out.
Are we serious?
It's okay.
Come on.
We've been having some technical difficulties with the scooper, so we are just about to use our hands. The marshmallow is making it complicated to get out. I'm like flattening it out first and then putting it over the marshmallow like a pancake almost.
We should have sprayed our hands with the spray.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I thought you were saying flatten them out. Actually, do this one because this one's like not all the way down.
We're making another batch of s'mores cookies. This is what the first batch is looking like. Yeah, that one is so small. This one's a baby cookie.
A few moments later.
As long as they bake.
The cookies did not turn out as expected.
As long as they bake, you can just kind of slice them into squares.
12 seconds later.
Okay, it smells good, but this shit is looking crazier and crazier by the second. Really see. Oh.
Like, what did we do? But you know what we could do?
Oh, hell yeah. Okay, we've kind of shaped them now, and I think we're gonna put them back in the oven for just like another couple minutes. Listen, they might not be the prettiest, but you know that they're about to taste good. It's chocolate chips and marshmallows and graham cracker. Like, it's gonna taste good.
Well, now we're gonna have to use it to this one. This one is actually pork.
We have a lot of extra dough with this one.
Yeah.
Maybe we can just form that into its own thing. We're too scared to leave the cookies by themselves, so we're just gonna stand here and wait for them.
Look how good they look right now though with the light on.
Hell yeah. You can still see the Hershey's imprint on this cookie. Oh, look at the chocolate melting on top of the cookie. Oh. Oh. We're about to do the taste test. It's so chocolatey. You can really see that the whole bottom is just a graham cracker. The marshmallow did kind of all melt, but you can still taste the marshmallow, like the taste is still there. This is so good. It's so chocolatey. Is it chocolatey? Is it good?
Yeah.
Bro, why does it look like Dante is loafing like a cat?
Let me go.
1, 2, 3.
I need to get my flip-flop.
1, 2. Kick it out.
Yummy.
Yummy, yummy in my tummy. I'm about to take the ribs out of the oven and put...